In today's video, I'm going to show you how to delete a table in Notion. Notion is incredibly versatile, but sometimes a table or database is no longer needed, and removing it can help declutter your workspace. Start by opening your Notion homepage, which is your central hub for all pages and workspaces. Locate the specific database containing the table you want to delete. If you have many databases, using a consistent naming system or tags can make this easier. Click on the database to open it. Inside, find the table you want to remove. Look for the 6-dot icon next to the table. This opens the Options menu. Hover over it and you'll see the Delete option. Before clicking Delete, double check that you've selected the correct table. Accidental deletions can be frustrating, especially if the table contains important data. If needed, back up any information first. Once you're sure, click Delete and Notion will remove the table, leaving your database more organized and streamlined. And that's it. With these simple steps, you can keep your Notion workspace tidy, efficient, and productive. Thanks for watching and happy organizing.